Welcome back to the 3-Minute Node. Today, we are going to solve a high-stakes professional CGI problem, realistic lighting modification for satellite imagery. We start with a flat, perspective view aerial shot, the kind you might get from a standard Earth mapping service, which lacks any dynamic lighting or shadows. Our goal is to test various lighting scenarios to find the perfect look for a professional project. First, let's look at the standard setup using Qwen Edit 2511. I have the default workflow open. In any professional workflow, resolution management is your first hurdle. Our input image is a massive 8192 by 3993 pixels. No current model, whether it is Qwen or Flux, can handle that directly without a massive VRAM overhead or quality collapse. We need to scale. Now, ComfyUI provides a native image scale to total pixels node, but it has a significant flaw. When we scale our image down to a manageable size, say 1467 by 715, we end up with a terrible multiplier that doesn't play well with the 16-pixel blocks these models prefer. Even if you change the resolution steps to 16, look at the result. The image isn't just resized, it is stretched. If you push that to 64 steps to get a cleaner 1472 by 704 resolution, the stretching becomes even more aggressive. In professional CGI, a stretched plate is a broken plate. We need the Comfy team to address how this node handles aspect ratios, because as it stands, it is not acceptable for professional work. Instead, we use the FluxKontextImageScale node. It is much more robust. We can scale our 8K plate down to 1456 by 720, ensuring both dimensions are clean multiples of 16 without any stretching or distortion. This is our foundation. Using the standard Qwen Edit 2511 workflow at 4 steps with a fixed seed of 0, we attempt a simple prompt: change lighting to noon. While the result looks okay at a glance, the professional eye will immediately spot the problem. There is a noticeable pixel shift. The before and after do not align perfectly. In a production pipeline, if your modified plate doesn't match the original geometry exactly, it's useless for compositing. A quick fix people often suggest is to disable the image and VOE inputs from the text encode Qwen image edit for both the positive and negative prompts, and instead utilize the reference latent method. You can see this set up in the workflow here. While this does stop the pixel shifting and the zooming side effect Qwen is known for, the actual editing becomes far less satisfying. The AI loses its grip on the instructions, and if you look closely at the output, there is serious quality degradation. The textures are muddy, and the professional-grade detail is gone. This brings us to the new kid on the block, Flux Klein 9BKV. This is a 9 billion parameter model that specifically utilizes key-value caching to maintain incredible consistency and speed. Because it is built on the Flux architecture, but optimized for these specific KV, it handles image-to-image and editing tasks with a level of precision Qwen currently lacks. We are setting this up to be an apples-to-apples comparison. We use the same FluxKontextImageScale to bring our 8K image down. The method here is technically very similar. It uses a reference latent approach. But look at the implementation. It uses the default ComfyUI text encode nodes rather than the specialized Qwen text encode. We run the workflow at 4 steps with the same fixed seed of 0. The result is night and day. There is 0 pixel shifting. The geometry of the satellite image is perfectly preserved. There is no quality degradation. In fact, the textures look more grounded. Now let's test the versatility. Change the prompt to change the lighting to dusk. It takes exactly 5 seconds to generate. The golden hour atmosphere are rendered beautifully while keeping every building and road in its exact original place. We can cycle through spring, summer, autumn, winter, or even heavy rain. Every single one is a win. For a professional CGI workflow where accuracy, speed, and image integrity are non-negotiable, Flux Klein 9BKV is the new standard. It is effectively replacing Qwen Edit in my pipeline starting today. And that's the node, all open source, No filler, thank you for watching. Grab the file, keep creating.